I always love getting your text right here with those questions. Welcome back. We're with Christopher Cook with Alliance Insurance, answering all your questions about home and car insurance. And there's a lot of really good ones right here. Someone wants to know, my credit score's not so good. Does that mean I'm going to pay more?
You know, I really hate to say this, but yes.
Why is that? Why do insurance agents get to factor that in?
Insurance agents don't. Insurance agents get to give advice. Insurance carriers, the people you write your checks to in our state, have the right to rate on your credit score. They have proven that credit is a driver in claim frequency. And so they have began to use credit. I say began, they started that practice over 30 years ago to use credit as determining your premium. And back to when we started this segment, with more risk, there's more premium. And it's been proven that folks with dinged credit have higher and more frequent claims.
So really, where do you want your credit to have it not factor in?
Certainly, the better your credit, the lower your insurance premiums are going to be. Every carrier out there has some sort of credit model that I'm aware of. Some insurance carriers place less emphasis on credit, and some insurance carriers place more. What I would tell you to do is the beauty of having an agent is they can shop that around for you, and they can help you to find out which carrier fits your situation the best. There are carriers in our state that don't ding you, so to speak, as much for a poor credit score as others. And so use an independent insurance agent to shop that for you so that you can find the best answer.
Speaking of shopping around, we've had a lot of people write in about questions about being a senior citizen, saying, I feel like I'm being charged more. Is there a discount that I should get somewhere for being a senior citizen?
That depends on the product for sure. There are carriers that I'm aware of that have mature homeowner discounts, and so that in those places, seniors are certainly getting a discount. There are carriers who, in our state, do remove a mature driver discount at certain ages. Usually that's in the late 70s or early 80s. Again, due to the fact that unfortunately, as we age a little bit, we are more likely to have an auto insurance claim. So it depends. It depends on the product, for sure.
And that's even if you have a clean driving record, they can still remove that?
They do still remove it because it's documented in their system that the credit applies if you are between ages 55 and 75 or whatever their limits would be. It just depends on how they filed that discount or that credit at the Department of Insurance here in our state.
Okay, someone wants to know, what is umbrella coverage and do I need it?
Yes, umbrella coverage is often misunderstood, but it's an additional layer of liability protection. You and I talked about earlier, what happens, heaven forbid, I hit the Cadillac Escalade with four passengers in it and they're all badly injured. Well, your auto insurance policy may cap out and not have enough coverage there to pay for that injury. An additional $1 million umbrella policy would cost you about $150 a year. So typically an umbrella liability policy is to provide excess or extra liability protection. Heaven forbid you make a major mistake and really injure, create lots of injuries.
Is that an expensive policy to add on?
It's about $150 per year. So not per month, per year. That's about $13 a month.
Someone wants to know, I have a really old car, a 95 model. Should I get comprehensive coverage?
Not in my opinion. It's a personal choice, but unless it's a collector item or it has more than $5,000 in value, I would not recommend you to carry comprehensive or collision coverage. Unfortunately, if the vehicle is damaged, you're going to be out of pocket for the repairs. But at this point in time, the vehicle is 26 years old. I think it's okay to let the comprehensive coverage go.
A lot of people, I think, have confusion over what exactly home insurance will cover. Someone texted in, my heat pump went out after storm. Will my homeowners pay to have it fixed?
Possibly, but only if it was damaged due to lightning. Your homeowner's policy is not a home warranty. It is a policy that pays for damages caused by the main things are fire, theft, vandalism, lightning, water damage, provided it's not a flood, wind, and hail. So if one of those items, one of those perils as we call them, damaged your home, your homeowner's insurance is going to pay for it. If your refrigerator died because it's 27 years old, or your heat pump died because it's been running since 1971, it's just a maintenance issue, and that's the beauty of home ownership, is you have to maintain your home.
Well, thank you so much. As always, really good information, saving people a lot of money. We have a lot more questions we couldn't get to, so we're going to have you back really soon.
Look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, sir. If you missed any of this information, you can find it all on our website, WFMYnews2.com.